MrBeast is the biggest YouTuber in the world. With over 250 million subscribers and billions of views, he's cracked the YouTube algorithm like no one else. But did you know his strategies can skyrocket your finance channel too? Whether you're making videos on investing, saving money, or business tips, MrBeast's YouTube formula works for any niche. Today, we're breaking down his best advice and how you can use it to grow your own finance channel. First, let's talk about clickbait versus real value. MrBeast always says, it's not clickbait if you deliver on your promise. This is one of the biggest mistakes finance YouTubers make. They create generic titles like How to Save Money or Best Investment Strategies, which don't grab attention. But look at MrBeast's videos. His titles are irresistible. They make you want to click. In the finance niche, people love big numbers and success stories. But here's the catch. If you promise how I made $10,000 in a month, you better show real proof and actual strategies to back it up. The key? Make your titles irresistible, but always deliver value. Instead of how to save money, try the $5 hack that saved me $10,000. Sounds intriguing, right? I followed Warren Buffett's advice for a year. Here's what happened. Creates curiosity. Millionaires do this every morning, but nobody talks about it. Feels exclusive. MrBeast hooks people with crazy ideas, then delivers insane value. You should do the same in finance. Never promise something you can't actually prove, but always package your content in a way that makes people excited to click. Now, once someone clicks, the first 30 seconds make or break your video. MrBeast is obsessed with viewer retention and always says, every second matters. The first 30 seconds decide if people stay or leave. You need to grab attention immediately. Most finance YouTubers start like this. Hey guys, today I'll talk about investing. Boring. People click off instantly. Instead, here's how MrBeast would do it. This one investment turned $500 into $50,000, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Hooks you right away. I lost $10,000 in crypto, but here's what I learned. Makes you curious. This millionaire's secret changed my entire financial future? Sounds exclusive. Finance doesn't have to be boring. Your energy, storytelling, and delivery make all the difference. You need to make it feel urgent and exciting, just like MrBeast does. Now let's talk about retention. This is the #1 factor that determines whether YouTube pushes your video to more people. MrBeast studies retention graphs like crazy. YouTube rewards videos where people watch till the end. And the key to achieving that is pacing and surprises. Here's how you can do this in finance content. Check mark fast cuts and quick edits. No dead air, no long pauses. Keep the pacing high energy. Tease upcoming info. Say things like, stick around, because later I'll reveal a secret investment tip you've never heard before, to keep people watching. Use storytelling. Example, I was broke in 2019. Then I found this one investing strategy that completely changed my life. Look at MrBeast's videos. He never lets people get bored. He keeps jump cuts, new elements, and surprises to make sure viewers don't click away. If you're making finance content, you need to think like an entertainer while still providing valuable information. Now let's talk about thumbnails and titles. MrBeast calls these the ultimate click magnets. He spends hours designing thumbnails because he knows that without a great thumbnail, nobody watches your video. He always asks, would a random person click this? If the answer is no, he scraps it. For finance thumbnails, use these strategies. Checkmark big numbers. People love numbers. Example, how I made $100,000 at 25. Face expressions, shocked, excited, or surprised faces increase engagement. Curiosity gap, leave some mystery. Example, I saved $100,000 in 3 years. Here's how. Look at MrBeast's thumbnails, simple, clear, and eye-catching. Finance YouTubers should do the same. Never rush your thumbnail. It's the difference between 10,000 and 1 million views. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets MrBeast shares. Longer videos equal more money. He doesn't make short 3-minute videos. He goes big. Why? Because longer watch time equals more ad revenue and better ranking. In finance, don't just say invest in stocks. Go deeper. Instead of a 5-minute surface-level video, create a 10 to 15-minute deep dive. More minutes watched equals more YouTube money. But that's not the only reason long-form content is king. MrBeast understands that YouTube's algorithm favors videos that keep people on the platform longer. If your video is 10 to 15 minutes and people stay for most of it, YouTube will push it to more people because it sees your content as valuable. Now, how do you keep people watching longer? It's not just about stretching content. You need to add depth and engagement. MrBeast does this by making sure there's never a dull moment. Every few seconds, something visually or emotionally stimulating happens. For finance content, this means checkmark. Break up long explanations with visuals. Show charts, graphs, or animated text to keep it dynamic. Use quick edits. Don't let the screen stay static for too long. Keep the pacing snappy. Inject storytelling. Instead of just listing investment tips, tell a real-life success or failure story to make it more engaging. Another trick MrBeast uses is segmenting content into engaging chapters. He structures his videos so that every few minutes there's a new reason to keep watching. You can do the same in finance by structuring your videos like this. Hook, first 30 seconds. A compelling reason to stay. The setup, 1 to 3 minutes. Context or personal experience. Value bomb, 3 to 6 minutes. The core educational content. Surprise factor, 6 to 8 minutes. A case study, unexpected insight, or personal challenge. Final payoff, 8 to 10 minutes. The ultimate takeaway or action step. This keeps your content structured yet exciting, preventing viewers from clicking away. Retention tricks. MrBeast uses that work for finance. MrBeast spends hours analyzing retention graphs, making sure there's no sharp drop-off. Every dip in the graph means a point where viewers got bored, so he studies why they left. You should do the same in your finance videos. Here's how to improve retention in finance content. Avoid over-explaining. If a concept is complex, break it down visually instead of rambling for minutes. Pattern interrupts. Every 15 to 30 seconds, switch it up. New shot, new energy, new example. Keep things fresh. Ask rhetorical questions. Engage your viewers with lines like, "But what if I told you there's a better way?" It keeps their brains actively engaged. Use countdowns or suspense. Example, in 30 seconds, I'll reveal the one mistake that cost me thousands. So stick around. The longer you can keep viewers engaged, the more YouTube will promote your content. MrBeast's community building strategy and why it's crucial for finance creators. Another thing MrBeast does exceptionally well is building a community around his channel. His audience feels like they're part of something bigger, which keeps them coming back. For finance creators, this means engage with comments, answer questions, start discussions, and even make videos based on viewer requests. Create a challenge. Example, try this money-saving hack for a week and comment your results. Go beyond YouTube. Build an email list or Discord group where viewers can engage more deeply. The more loyal your audience is, the more likely they are to binge watch your content, leading to even higher watch time. Conclusion, MrBeast's strategy can make your finance channel explode. At the end of the day, MrBeast's success isn't just luck. It's calculated, data-driven, and highly intentional. He knows how to grab attention, retain viewers, and keep them coming back for more. If you apply these principles, better thumbnails, click-worthy titles, engaging storytelling, and long-form content, your finance channel will see massive growth. Remember, it's not just about information. It's about how you present it. Combine value with entertainment, and you'll stand out in the crowded finance niche. Did you find these tips helpful? Like and subscribe for more finance YouTube growth secrets. And comment below, which MrBeast tip will you use first? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.